Hey y'all, it's an exciting day out here. Got something over my left shoulder over here I think you want to check out. That's right, the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. Let's check it out. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Listen, I know you're here usually in my kitchen working with Ninja products, but we're outdoors today, baby. That's right, Ninja got me the brand new Woodfire Outdoor Grill. All right, so this thing's exciting. We're gonna do a quick unboxing on this one, just let you see what comes with it, kind of how it works, all the good features on it. Guys, I'm excited for this one. So many times over the years, people have asked me, can we throw some wood pellets in the indoor grill? Can we do a little smoker pack in there, something like that? And to me, that's always defeated the purpose of having an indoor smokeless grill, right? You can't bring smoke in the indoors with the smoker in the grill thing, or you're setting off the fire alarms, or, as my wife calls it, the kitchen timer. Never mind, just playing, honey. But Ninja's finally hitting up that pellet outdoor game. This thing is a grill, it's a smoker, an air fryer, all the stuff you can do outside. I have so many ideas of cooks I'm gonna do on this bad boy. Guys, as you watch this and as I release videos for this thing, I'm gonna put links up there, so throughout the video, as the other videos on, like, I'm gonna do steaks first, we'll do some wings, all the good outdoor barbecue stuff. Listen, I got a brisket in mind. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Freaking excited. All right, so guys, let's get over, unbox this bad boy right here. Let's get started. Oh wait, before we get started, hit that subscribe button, because we're gonna do some good stuff in this bad boy and you want to check it out. All right, let's go. All right, team, so we're outdoors right now. We're ready to do the dang thing. Let's get this bad boy open. You don't need to see me cutting that tape open, but you need to turn this bad boy around. Here's what we're looking at as we open it up. It's perfect for balconies, camping, RV. I don't want to say that the Ninja chefs might have burnt those ribs, but whatever. We're using pellets in this bad boy. Here's where you can get your pellets for the Ninja, made by Bear Mountain, very reputable pellet company. Okay, let's get this bad boy out. All right, it does come with a couple pellets. We have the all-purpose and the robust. Definitely need to get some order in those. Up to 3 cooking sessions for each of these. Robust blend, all-purpose blend. Right, so here's the top, everything that's kind of attached in there. Quick start guide. Handles, some assembly required going on here. Got our little pellet cup, a grease tray, I think. Quick start guide, all that good stuff. Got our handles. All right, y'all, this one's pretty heavy, okay? So just be careful as you're lifting it out. Okay, there we go. There's how we're looking. We go ahead and undo this tape. Here's where we put the pellets. Okay, it shuts down. It's on a hinge, spring-loaded hinge. You could only use these pellets. There's our little air fryer basket. It's a big basket. I think that's bigger than the other XL. Here's our grill plate. So we have a heating element on the bottom. We have a heating element on top. There's the bottom. There's the fan on top. Okay, so on the lid here, we can see a little grease runoff, a little grease trap to the hole in the back here. And then I'll show you from the back where we slide in the grease collector. As far as I can tell, this doesn't latch in. This is just sets in there. This little button right here is just a pressure sensor to show that it's on. Okay. Here's a little grease tray that will slide in the back. The little pellet holder comes out. It's removable. All right, we're looking at the back right here for outdoor use only. All the little information you need here. Keep cord dry off the ground, obviously. Do not move the unit when it's in use or hot. You'll burn yourself. All right, you can see down here the little lip for the grease tray. Just slides right in. Okay, so here's the power cord. Has a little reset, so it'll pop on you there's an issue with it, probably a good thing. All right, let's get these arms on. Just slide right in. Little divots in there for them. Gonna use our little Allen wrench key thing here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Nice little handy dandy tool. All right, let's get the other one. Right, you got the safety instructions here, the owner's manual. Definitely something you're gonna wanna make sure you go through. Okay, this is, you know, we're dealing with fire here, dealing with smoke. You wanna make sure that you're doing everything right. No messing around. Getting to know is definitely something you need to do. And we'll go over all the features right quick. So this is a grill that you can cook with the top open or top down, okay? Grill plates independently heated from the bottom, right? So if you're cooking thin, lean cuts of meat, you can leave it open. Some thick cuts of meat, you're shutting it down using the grill. The smoker, we're going low and slow in this bad boy, using those pellets. We're doing the dang thing, right? Bake, air crisp, you know, roast, broil, you dehydrate in here, all those type of things. Something that you're familiar with the regular Ninja Foodi grill, you know, the indoor one. Okay, it has a dial to what you're looking to do here. So your dial shows grill, smoker, air crisp, bake, broil, dehydrate. Got it? Pretty simple. We'll turn it on so you can see the buttons. This is new here. Press and hold the start stop button to skip the preheat. I don't mind doing the preheating, but a lot of people like to get rid of it, go straight to the cooking. This is what we're looking like in the grill. There's the fan underneath. I'm gonna talk about the pellets right quick. It says to only use these. Honestly, guys, they look like any other pellets. So we might try other pellets, but we'll see. We'll see how that works out for us. So these are extra items that are sold separately that I will definitely get a hold of. I want that griddle plate. Obviously I want to cover because I'm gonna keep this outside. Not too sure about the stand. You know, I got these, look at all my other grills over there. I mean, that's not even all of them. But we're adding a Ninja to all my other grills. That's so funny. And there's one on the other side over there, my big boy. So, Ninja's in the mix with the Webers, the Pit Bosses, so on and so forth. Okay, some specs on this bad boy. The voltage is 120. Power's 1760 watts. I picked it up. I don't see a weight measurement anywhere on there, but it's a solid 35 pounds. It's a big boy. Grill plate is 165 square inches. Fits up to 6 burgers, 2 racks of ribs. It's a non-stick. It'd be easy to clean up. Has the grease strand back. I showed you that. The pellet scoop. Crisper basket. Doesn't say how big the crisper basket is, but it's bigger than the other XL grill and griddle basket, so it's probably about 5 quarts, give or take. It's not that deep, but pretty spacious in there. Okay, so there's a quick look. It still has those grooves in there. I know a lot of people don't really dig those, but yeah, I don't have any problem with them or cleaning them out. All right, we went ahead and plugged it in, turned it on. Starts off on high temp, goes to medium, low, high. For this is the grill setting. Nothing more, there's no max on this one. Obviously time. Switch the smoker, 250. Let's see how high it goes. I love that it's set for 4 hours. All right, so the top is 400 degrees. Time, it goes by 15-minute increments. All right, so low and slow is where it's at. Dig it. All right, let's talk about it. Guys, this is gonna be a good time right here. I hope you all are as excited as I am. I love being outdoors. I love barbecuing. I love smoking, grilling, all that good stuff. For so many years using the Ninja Foodi grill, I was trying to bring the outdoors inside. Did as many barbecue recipes as I could, you know, wrap my head around. So many that I actually did a cookbook with barbecue recipes for the indoor grill, which I'll put a link down below if you want to check it out. But looks like we need to be working on a new cookbook. You know what I'm saying? Guys, put a thumbs up below if you're excited about this one too. Comment down below what you want to see done in this Woodfire outdoor grill. Dude, I'm excited. This is just freaking cool. If you want to become a show producer like all these people here, kind of the people that help me make these videos for you and, you know, share this goodness, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit right now. Guys, we got plenty more cooks on this bad boy coming. All right, make sure you stay tuned and watch for those. Other than that, we are done on this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.